average price, not the average, the price per cylinder of LPG will increase by 50 rupees. Non-Ujjwala beneficiary, it will be again 50 rupees, it will go up from 803 to 853. Therefore, the excise duty that you have seen increase is not to go on to the consumer on petrol and diesel.
आम आदमी को महंगाई का तगड़ा झटका लगा है। मोदी सरकार ने एलपीजी गैस सिलेंडर के दामों में वृद्धि की है। एलपीजी गैस सिलेंडर के दामों में 50 रुपए की वृद्धि हुई है। यह वृद्धि उज्ज्वला गैस सिलेंडर पर भी लागू होगी। पहले उज्ज्वला गैस सिलेंडर 503 रुपए में मिला करते थे, जिनका दाम अब बढ़कर 553 रुपए हो जाएंगे। वहीं आम एलपीजी सिलेंडर के दाम 803 रुपये की जगह अब 853 रुपये हो गए हैं। तो आइए जानते हैं इस रिपोर्ट में इस बढ़ोतरी के पीछे की वजह क्या है। सरकार की तरफ से दी गई जानकारी के अनुसार मंगलवार यानी 8 अप्रैल 2025 से गैस सिलेंडर की कीमतों में 50 रुपए की वृद्धि की जा रही है। यह वृद्धि उज्ज्वला योजना और नॉन उज्ज्वला योजना यानी सभी उपभोक्ताओं पर लागू होगी। अब नई कीमतों के अनुसार उपभोक्ताओं को गैस सिलेंडर के लिए 50 रुपये अधिक चुकाने होंगे। बता दें कि पेट्रोल डीजल की कीमतों में भी बढ़ोतरी करने की खबर आई थी, लेकिन सरकार ने फिलहाल इनकार किया है। सुनिए इस पर पेट्रोलियम गैस मंत्री हरदीप सिंह पुरी ने क्या कुछ कहा है।
Let me start where I think you want me to start. You would have seen a notification from the Ministry of Finance saying that the excise rates are going up by 2 rupees on petrol and diesel. Let me clarify up front on the record. We've already issued a clarification to the Ministry. This will not be passed on to the consumer. So now the next question is, what is going to happen to petrol prices? Because I know you guys are dying to ask me this question. Several of you have already messaged me. Look, international price of petrol came down to around $60 a barrel. $60 of crude per barrel in the last day or so. But please remember that our oil marketing companies, with whose work I'm more familiar, but even the private sector companies, they carry inventories over a 45-day period. And if you go back to say early January, the crude price then was $83, which came down subsequently to $75. So the crude inventory that they're carrying is at $75 on an average per barrel. So, but if your question is going forward from here, if the price remains at $60 a barrel as it is today or thereabouts, and I'm not going into the Indian basket or Brent, etc., I'm not going into that, then can you legitimately expect prices of petrol and diesel to be moderated by the oil marketing companies in keeping with the global price? To which my answer would be yes. In a deregulated sector, you can expect them to accordingly adjust the market retail price. What we have decided, therefore, is that the average price, not the average, the price per cylinder of LPG will increase by 50 rupees. In other words, from 500 it will go up to 550. And the other one will go up from 803 to 853. Now, this is a step which we will review as we go along. As it is, we review these every 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And therefore, the excise duty that you have seen increase is not to go on to the consumer on petrol and diesel. As I kept telling you, that excise increase is intended to compensate the oil marketing companies for the 43,000 crore that they have incurred as a loss on the gas part of it. Now you will say, what will happen to petrol and diesel? So this 50 rupees increase per cylinder will be for the Ujjwala beneficiary, and overall for the non-Ujjwala beneficiary, it will be again 50 rupees, it will go up from 803 to 853. Again, this will be reviewed every 15 days or 1 month, whichever is the system. And in the case of petrol and diesel, as I said, if this trend remains, then the price is likely to be revised by them. It's a deregulated sector. They don't have to come to us.
तो ये थी हमारी गैस की कीमतों में बढ़ोतरी से जुड़ी रिपोर्ट। आपको कैसी लगी ये रिपोर्ट कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं। साथ ही इस पूरे मामले पर आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें। बाकी देश दुनिया की खबरों के लिए बने रहिए जनसत्ता के साथ। धन्यवाद।